Hi, Crystal and everyone with Right Touch Electrical. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So we're just going to briefly go over a couple of things that we could do here, kind of get you guys boosted up a little bit higher. I know you're ranking already on that first page organically. We'll get you in that first, second, third position, which is definitely where you want to be. So we'll start with your website here. It's a really great website. You guys have got your logo up here, contact number readily available, call to action right here. All of that's really nice. A little bit about yourself coming down, some links to about your photo gallery and other service areas, a review, testimonial there, some more reviews and testimonials. Those are great. More about your services. Awesome. Down here, we've got your contact information. Again, that's all really great. And then we've got different ways for your clients to connect with you, which is really great as well. So the one thing I will say is that what Google really cares about, aside from a nice looking website, is that content that's on this home page. And they want you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark of quality content. Now this is going to be influenced more so by the competition in the area. So if they're closer to that 1,500 word mark, you might need to be closer to that 2,000 word mark. But in addition to that quality content, as you probably know because you've got some of those buyer intent keywords on this home page, Google wants you to have those buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout that quality content. Those can include the ones like Electrician Houston. I believe you guys have Houston electricians on here. Feel free to switch it up in both ways and get those put on this homepage too and start ranking for that as well. And I mean, you can add those up here too really easily. You can do Right Touch Electrical, the Electrician Houston loves, different things like that. Easy way to get those put onto this home page. Now the next thing that we're going to hit on really quick is just backlinks. So you might know a little bit about those. Backlinks are just a shout out from another website, letting Google know that you are trustworthy and relevant. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are plenty of other free tools out there. So what we're going to touch on here really quick is this UR and DR rating. So our UR is our trust rating with Google and our DR is our power rating with Google. Now these are influenced by our backlinks. And so the fact that these aren't too close together and that one of them is much lower than the other one is letting us know that all of our backlinks that we have aren't necessarily relevant or powerful. And you can see here, these do follow links. This is getting a little technical, but just to give you a little bit of more details here, you've got 59 do follow links out of these over 1,000 backlinks that you have. Now I put Mr. Sparky, who's one of the top competitors in your area. They've got over 3,000 backlinks and they've got 230 do follow links. Those do follow ones hold a little bit more power. Some of them hold more relevance to electrical work. So that's an area of improvement that you guys can definitely get into. So you would just come in, click into these referring domains or their backlinks, find those do follow ones and get yourself added to the same ones, because if they're helping them rank, they're going to help you rank too. But make sure that they're relevant and that they're pointing to you being trustworthy, because as we can see, their rating isn't very close either. So that's something you want to check. Your keywords, you guys have got a lot of organic keywords. That's great. You can start ranking for different keywords too if you wanted to. And then the last area that we're going to touch on here really quick is just this area right here. You're probably familiar with it, the local map pack or Google My Business. So how you get ranked here is by having that Google business profile, which you do have right here. You can get 700 words of content in here. You can add keywords in here. You've got lots of pictures. Some of them are repeat, so you can get some other photos from job sites, get those in there, get them geotagged, get them uploaded with those buyer intent keywords as well. You can do that. And then the next biggest thing is to find out where your top competitors have their citation listed. And a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory, which is things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, probably all the directories that you're familiar with. But there are a lot more out there that you can get yourself added into. So what I would do if I was you is I would find out what directories these competitors are listed in, get myself listed in those exact same ones, and then I go above and beyond that If they're in 150, get yourself listed in 200, 250, maybe even 300. Really just blow them out of the water. All right, Crystal. Well, that's all I've got for you guys today. Just a quick recap. Your website looks really nice. We just want to up that quality content. And once you up that quality content, you want to up those buyer intent keywords that are sprinkled in throughout it too. And then we kind of hit on a little bit of nitpicking with our backlinks here because we've got quite a few, but this is letting us know that maybe they're not as relevant to us as they need to be or as powerful. So let's get those updated too. And let's get our organic traffic increasing as we start to rank higher organically down here. So you guys are just right down here. And we just want to get you right up here. And then the last thing that we touched on is this local map pack. So getting your citation out there, updating that GBP a little bit, that Google business profile, adding some keywords into that. Keep those reviews going. That's wonderful. And that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you.